Starting a blog can be a fulfilling and profitable endeavor, but it requires careful planning, dedication, and a strategic approach. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore essential steps and strategies for launching a successful blog that engages your audience and generates revenue. We'll also provide real-life examples to illustrate each concept for a better understanding. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let's dive in. 1. Identify your niche and target audience. Choosing a niche is a critical first step in the blogging journey. Your niche should align with your interests, skills, and passion, as this will keep you motivated and help you establish authority. For example, if you're passionate about sustainable living, you could create a blog focused on eco-friendly lifestyle tips and product reviews. Once you've selected a niche, research your target audience to understand their preferences, needs, and challenges. This information will guide your content strategy and help you create relevant, valuable posts that resonate with your audience. For example, if your target audience comprises young professionals interested in sustainable living, focus on topics like zero-waste office hacks, environmentally friendly commuting options, and affordable eco-friendly products. 2. Select the right blogging platform. Your choice of blogging platform will significantly impact your blog's functionality and appearance. User-friendly, feature-rich platforms like Wix, WordPress, and Blogger offer customization options, built-in SEO tools, and responsive design. For example, WordPress is a popular choice due to its vast plugin library, customizable themes, and scalability options. Compare the features, ease of use, and pricing plans of various platforms to determine the best fit for your needs and budget. 3. Register a domain name and choose a hosting provider. A unique, memorable domain name is crucial for establishing your blog's identity and credibility. For example, if your blog is about sustainable living, you might choose a domain name like ecofriendlylifetips.com. Register your domain and select a reliable hosting provider, such as SiteGround or Bluehost, that offers excellent uptime, security features, and customer support. Many blogging platforms provide integrated hosting services, simplifying the process and ensuring compatibility. 4. Design and customize your blog. A visually appealing, professional design is vital for attracting and retaining readers. Choose a theme or template that complements your brand identity and offers easy navigation. For example, if your blog focuses on eco-friendly living, you could opt for a clean, minimalistic design with earthy color tones. Customize your blog's layout, color scheme, and typography to create a cohesive look that reflects your personality and niche. Ensure your design is mobile responsive to accommodate users on various devices and screen sizes. 5. Craft engaging, high-quality content. Content is the cornerstone of your blog's success. Focus on producing informative, valuable, and compelling content that addresses your target audience's needs and interests. For example, you could create a series of blog posts on eco-friendly cleaning products, energy-saving appliances, and green home improvements. Research trending topics and relevant keywords within your niche to optimize your content for search engines. Enhance readability by breaking up text with subheadings, bullet points, and images. Additionally, maintain a consistent posting schedule to keep your audience engaged and signal to search engines that your blog is active. 6. Optimize your blog for SEO. Effective search engine optimization, SEO, helps improve your blog's visibility in search engine rankings. Incorporate on-page SEO techniques, such as including relevant keywords in your titles, meta descriptions, and headings. For example, if your blog post is about eco-friendly cleaning products, use keywords like natural cleaning solutions or green cleaning products in your title and throughout the content. Use internal and external links to enhance user experience and increase your blog's authority. For instance, link to authoritative sources when mentioning statistics or studies, and link to related articles on your blog to keep readers engaged. Additionally, ensure your website loads quickly and is mobile-friendly, as these factors also impact your search rankings. 7. Promote your blog effectively. Increase your blog's reach by sharing your content on social media platforms, online forums, and communities related to your niche. For example, you could join Facebook groups dedicated to sustainable living and share your blog posts with engaged members. Engage with influencers and fellow bloggers to collaborate on content or guest posts, expanding your audience and increasing your exposure. For instance, you might collaborate with an eco-friendly fashion blogger to create a joint post on sustainable wardrobe essentials. Utilize email marketing to keep your subscribers informed about new content, promotions, and updates. 8. Monetize your blog strategically. Experiment with various monetization strategies to generate revenue from your blog. Options include affiliate marketing, sponsored content, display ads, or selling digital products and services. For example, you could partner with eco-friendly brands to promote their products through affiliate links or create an ebook on sustainable living tips for sale on your blog. Test different methods and track their performance to determine which approach best suits your blog and audience. 9. Foster audience engagement. Encourage interaction with your readers by responding to comments, answering questions, and soliciting feedback. Cultivate a sense of community around your blog by actively engaging with your audience on social media platforms and through email newsletters. Building strong relationships with your readers can boost your blog's reputation and encourage sharing, which ultimately helps grow your subscriber base. For instance, you could host a Q&A session on Instagram Live or create a Facebook group for your blog's community to foster interaction and discussion. 10. Analyze your blog's performance. Regularly monitor your blog's performance using analytics tools like Google Analytics. Review data such as traffic sources, popular content, bounce rates, and user behavior to identify trends and areas for improvement. Utilize these insights to refine your content strategy, optimize user experience, and make data-driven decisions that contribute to your blog's growth. For example, if you notice that posts about eco-friendly home improvement projects generate the most engagement, consider creating more content in that area. 11. Stay up to date with industry trends and best practices. As the digital landscape evolves, it's crucial to stay informed about industry trends, algorithm updates, and best practices for blogging and SEO. Subscribe to industry newsletters, follow influential bloggers, and attend webinars or conferences to continuously learn and adapt your strategies. Staying current with the latest developments will help you maintain your blog's relevance and success. 12. Be patient and persistent. Building a successful blog takes time, effort, and dedication. Don't expect overnight success or instant results. Stay committed to consistently producing high-quality content and refining your approach based on feedback and performance data. With perseverance, you can achieve your blogging goals and establish a loyal audience. In conclusion, following these comprehensive steps, strategies, and real-life examples, you can create a thriving blog that captivates and engages your target audience. Remember, achieving long-term success with a blog requires patience, commitment, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Keep striving for improvement, and soon you'll enjoy the rewards of a successful blogging venture. Thanks for watching, and I hope you try these ways to make money online. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.